Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Scotch makes a great bumper set here. This comes with an assortment of round and square bumpers, as well as some higher ones that you can put on the bottom of perhaps a glass tray that you don't want sliding around or scratching. I used these recently for a piece of glass that was going on top of my dining room table. We didn't want it sliding off, and the bumpers were super easy to put on there. They stick on really well. I also like the fact that it helps to reduce noise. So if you do have a drawer or a cabinet door that likes to slam, you can put these on there and have a nice quiet drawer. It also prevents the scratching of surfaces. This is great to put on the bottom of something that you don't want marking up maybe your dresser. And so I would highly recommend. It's a great brand. It's been great to have this assortment pack because whenever I need one, I can pick out the ones that I need. But that's just my point of view.